everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm at home today, and what you're about to watch is a repurposed video from 4 years ago. It was hella fun to watch progression in this video, and also my editing skills, as meager as they be, but the reason for the repeat video is I have a broken ankle and I'm waiting to hear if I have to get a boot or a cast. And if it's a cast, I won't be able to navigate the steps to my studio. So I will be painting from home. I've ordered some supplies, and the next video, I'll be back to a regularly scheduled programming where I will recreate and give an in-depth video on the grandma's flip cup recipe that we did at PourCon for everyone asking for the recipe and how to do those. In the meantime, enjoy this old video. It really was fun to go back and watch, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let me get you down. This is my 16 by 16 ampersand cradle wood panel, pre-gessoed. It's an inch and a half deep on the sides, and I was just about to layer 2 more cups of paint and use that to slide paint around. So I guess I'll just plop them in the middle here and go and add I made another color. The colors in pouring medium recipe will show up on the screen. Pouring medium to paint is 1-to-1 ratio with water added for consistency, depending on the brand, to make them all kind of the same. So I'm just adding my my spot on. That's what it says underneath all the paint. Hey everybody, I just thought I'd do a little voiceover during the layering of the cup segment. This used to be storytelling time back in the day, but I've gotten away from that. And it was always a mixed bag. Some people loved it. Some people were like, shut up already and just pour. So anyway, just layering the colors, I will tell you that I deem this first try here a fail because I ran my lip through the paint and it made these 2 gray ribbons that I'm just not happy with. So what I ended up doing is mixing up another cup of color with more white and doing a straight pour over this that I'm really happy with. But I always think it's important to show the fails as we go along. I thought my pouring medium recipe, those ratios were kind of wacky, and I've definitely upgraded that. But you know, 5 years later, when I do use silicone, I do like the spot-on treadmill silicone, and I'm continuing to use that. So today's pour colors are inspired by my own stick. So I used leftover paint. They're all dirty now. I used leftover paint, let it dry, and then I've been resining my stir sticks so that I can stop buying them, and it's great because they just rinse off because they're sealed in resin now, and the wood doesn't get all yucky. So I'll be making a couple more today, and I feel very rusty. So my first pour there, I'm not even going to talk about it. It didn't turn out. Let's just leave it at that. It didn't turn out. Didn't like it. Do over. Apologize for the mess. And I know I'm picky, y'all. I know I'm picky, but to me, it's just paint, and I'm sticking with my New Year's resolution and just, you know, strive for better. That's what I'm trying to do. So, all right, a little more black and we're done. This is quite the color combination. I'm out of gloves too, so my hands are about to get really yucky. All right, so I'm gonna flip and drag these, and then depending on what it looks like, I might wreck the design too. if I don't like to have the lines. I don't want any hard lines. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah. And just give those a second. Let that white travel down through the paint. All right, here comes the drag part, the flip and drag part. And for the life of me, you know, hindsight is 2020. I don't know why I didn't leave things alone right here, because those two puddles are really pretty, and why didn't I just tilt them out instead of doing that hot mess right there? Like, I don't know why. This is sped up a couple times too. And then I decided, well, I'll torch it. And I have my Mac Daddy torch out, and I give it a torch before I really do tilting. And this, like I said, this is sped up quite a bit. So it looks all jiggly as I tilt it out to try and save it. Yeah, trying to move that ribbon up. But those gray ribbons are just ew. I do like the colors, though. But it was probably the right call to go ahead and, you know, pour over this and make up a fresh cup of white and go again. Don't go off. That's what I had in mind with the white. Like I said, this is an 1.5 inch deep canvas. And it's pre-gesso, but normally ampersand gessos the top and they leave the sides of the wood natural. This one is, it's gessoed on the sides. So since the sides were white, when I taped it, I taped like almost up to the top. I left like an eighth of an inch. So I'll have an 1/8 of an inch of paint and then white sides. So I wanted white in this painting. And then obviously I did not use enough of white. So hence when I was saying it wasn't what I wanted. It was a lovely painting, don't get me wrong, but because I have something very specific in mind for this canvas, that's why I wrecked it. And I'm not even gonna torch yet. I'm just gonna tilt first. And I'm gonna go where I need to go, off this way a bit, a little off the side, bring it back, and then come down. And I might pour white on my corners. I'm looking for the drama. Big drama to go with the sides. Up that other corner. Goodbye, weird black splotch. How do I feel about this line? I don't know. Off you go. Leave the pink, leave the pink. Keep the line up top. Way better. Oh, way better. I know you guys think I'm crazy. I know. I had to rinse off my hands because, like I said, I'm out of gloves. And there should be some color under there. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna tilt this ever so slightly. I don't mind the small cells. I love all the white. It'll look really cool with the white sides when I pull tape and resin it. And I love how it took this line here and made the cells that go into the white. That's like awesome. Do I even want to tilt it? The cells are small, but they're quality. Like there are some with the rings within the rings. And I love the blue cells on top of the magenta. I got an eyeball right there. Do I even want to tilt? The only thing I'm going to do is tilt a little bit this way so that this runs off, because right now it looks like a big hand doing this. It's upside down for you guys, but that's what it looks like. And I don't like that. And then I'll be done. And then I can show you the other stuff. So yeah, I'm in total Mad Woman mode. Beautiful cells, oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna go a little bit that way, just a titch, promise, and then I'm stopping. Because this is way more what I had in mind, and it's probably what I should have done to begin with. So just let some cells will grow, which is okay. You can go ahead off. My line stretching off. And a little more. And then bring everything back. I lost a little pink at the top, but that's okay. And then bring everything back. Yeah, that helps some cells grow. Yay! I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. Yay! Ta-da! Like that's a big ta-da. No idea. Okay, where am I? I'm like so stoked right now. Totally stoked. Where am I? Did I even show my face at all? If I didn't, I'm sorry. I'm a total Mad Woman today. Totally. So let me get you guys up and lock this in place so it doesn't droop down. Are you locked? Are you locked and loaded? Stay there. Yeah? I'm kind of low. I'll scooch. Hi, Bella. Hi, kitty. What you doing? Hi. I'm waiting for your dinner, huh? Let's say hi, Bella. Hi, sweetie. She's the sweetest thing ever. Right? Hi. And she stays away from the paint. And she's just a doll. And she lets me hold her forever. Right? Yeah. And she's purring. I know. Okay, bye. Gotta go. So, hi. It's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. How are you? Let's do it all backwards. Maybe I should like find a way to like do it in reverse. I'm just gonna pop my phone off old school style, since I'm gonna have to add this anyway. But this is it. I'm gonna drop it. That's what it looks like up high. And then let me come down. There's a little chain link and the cells. Hi, honey.
Hi.
I'm almost done.
Good.
I just gotta share this.
Time to crack open a bottle of wine.
Go ahead, crack open a bottle of wine. And then there's the cells there. And the middle with this like blue. Ah, love, 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 love. I'm gonna take a million pictures of this guy. I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, I'm done for reals. See you guys, bye.